let's go from this plastic cheap looking toy to this beautiful door hanger, something you can set in the corner. It looks rusted. Let me show you how. We're going to make this look like metal, rusted metal even, and it's super easy and it smells really good too. Go to the dollar store and get you a large thing of cinnamon. You need some black paint, and I'm just even going to go around, not really caring how neat I am at the top there, because we're going to paint that eventually too. Okay, now we're going to take our cinnamon and sprinkle it on there while the paint is wet. It smells so good. Give it a good tap off. And there we have the bottom. Now we'll do the same thing for the handle. And there we go. Like I said, I'm going to go after this dries and I am going to spray it with a matte sealer so that that cinnamon won't go anywhere. Then we're going to come back and we're going to paint this, and then we'll move on from there. Now that we have the rake all done, our next step is to make this sign. Look how it looks like a little slat of wood with grain and everything. We're going to do that from this white piece. This is one of our rectangle shapes. And first we're going to give it a wash with brown chalk, our dark brown, which is a bark. I just sprayed a little bit of water on here, and then we're going to put some chalk paste on here. Then we're actually going to wipe that off with a paper towel. And because this is a porous piece of wood, it's going to soak in a little bit and look like a stain. Okay, I'm going to dry that and do the other side. Okay, now on this side, I'm going to use one of our farm patterns that is slatted wood grain, and I have it going off the edge a little bit. Now, you can tell it doesn't go all the way across, but that is not a big deal because it's a repeating pattern. So I can line it up and do the rest of it. So just pull that up. I can line it up there and finish it out. Trick for this is to leave just a tiny bit of the first line empty, and so then you can get it lined up really good. Now we'll dry this. Look how cool that looks. I'm going to give it even just a little more dimension by sanding it a bit. Now for our actual design that says fall is in the air. I'm going to use the colors again that are inspired from my ribbon. Okay, now we'll peel back to reveal. Oh, look at that. Next step is to punch a hole and to put the bow on. All right, so we're going to punch a hole in this. This is one of our great tools. I'm going to take one zip tie around. Not quite halfway down, but pretty close. And I'm going to get one of my zip ties out. And some of our raffia. Raffia, which way do you say it? It's like Gif or Jiff. All right, now, the way I'm going to make my bow is I'm going to scrunch a little tab there and make my first loop, scrunch it and hold it with my fingers. Then I'm going to flip the ribbon around so it's right side up, scrunch and flip, scrunch and flip, and make, let's make at least 4, maybe 5 loops. And then while I still have this in my hand, I'm going to pick up the tails, put them on the back side. Then I'm going to put my raffia on top there, and then stick my zip tie. Hold it, we'll just pull that really taut. Okay, and we'll clip that close. And then third zip, and then I'm going to place it on our rake. Zip tie it tight there. Okay, now time to fluff the bow here. Take some of the loops in opposite directions and fluff them up. And then we're going to bring the tails and tug them downward. And finally, we will trim the ribbon into some dovetail ends. And there we go. So cute. Thanks for watching.